Kanji. So today I am going to tell you about some kanjis and how to remember them. So the first one is fire. Fire is also known as he in Japanese. So the kanji for fire is just like this. So let's see the strokes of this kanji. This is the first stroke, this is the second stroke, then comes the third stroke, and then comes the fourth stroke. So 4 strokes makes the kanji fire, that is he. If you want to remember this kanji, then it's very simple, and the hint for is this, the shape of the fire flames. So the kanji itself resembles just like fire. Here it is the fire and these are the flames, 1 2 3. So you can easily remember this kanji by just remembering the fire flames. Next kanji is of room. So let's check out the strokes. So here comes the first stroke 1, then comes the second stroke 2, then comes the third stroke 3, then the fourth one, then the fifth one, then the sixth one, 7th, 8th and 9th. Very simple. It might be looking difficult, but let's remember this with the help of hint. So this is a room and a boy is sitting inside it. Just remember this shape, and this shape will resemble the kanji for room. So you can see that this is the shape of the room, and this is the boy sitting over a chair or something, and this is the ground. Okay, so just remember this like in this manner. So the Japanese people called room as shitsu. Room is also known as shitsu. So once again I will tell you the strokes. This is the first stroke, this is the second stroke, this is the third one, then the fourth, then the fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th. So it's very easy. You just need to do some practice and remember this picture. Okay. Next one is our kanji for house. So house is also known as ie. What is this called? Ie. So let's see the strokes. It might be looking difficult, but let's do it. This is the first stroke. This is the second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke, fifth stroke, sixth stroke, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So do you want me to draw it again for you? Okay, then I shall be drawing it again for you. So this is the first stroke, then comes the second stroke, then comes the third stroke, then comes the fourth stroke, then comes the fifth stroke, then comes the sixth stroke, then comes the 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Isn't this simple now? So let's make it more simple. Remember this hint. So in the olden times, people used to keep their pigs in their house. So this is the house and there is a pig inside it. So you have to draw first the house and then you have to put the pig. So this image becomes kanji like this. So can you resemble it now? Yes? Yes, this is the head of the pig and these are the legs and this one is the tail and this is the house. Okay, so this is the first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke, fifth stroke, sixth stroke, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So 10 strokes make the kanji house, or it is called as ie in Japanese. So the last kanji of today is the kanji for degree. So how will you write it in kanji form? So let's start with our stroke practicing. So the first stroke is the first stroke 1. This is the second stroke 2. This is the third stroke 3. then comes the fourth stroke, 4, 5, 6, 7th stroke, and this is the 8th one, and this is the last and 9th one. So degree is also known as do in Japanese. So how to remember this? This is the hint. So draw a building, and inside the building you have to put your hands, and up there is some degree, 21 degree Celsius temperature. So just remember, your hands feel warm when it is inside 21 degree Celsius in the building. Okay? So let's practice these strokes again. Do you want me to draw it for you? Okay. So this is the first stroke. Then comes the second stroke. Then comes the third stroke. Then comes the fourth stroke. Fifth stroke. Sixth stroke. Seventh stroke. And this is the eighth. And this is the ninth. So these looks like hand, isn't it? So this is the building and this is the hand. So this is the kanji for degree. So we will be practicing more kanjis. To get to know about more kanjis, you just need to follow my channel. Thank you.